This is just a quick tip on organization for note-taking in the class. I have a lot of students who do a good job with reading the assignments, but then when it gets to the end of the semester and the exam, or middle of semester and the midterm, they don't remember what they've read. And so I want to emphasize the importance of taking notes in the class, even though it is an online class. And you might have an electronic way that you prefer to take notes, or a different method of taking notes. But for those of you who don't have a preferred method of taking notes, I recommend a spiral notebook from the dollar store and some Post-its. And what I do is just divide the notebook into 3 sections. I'm not going to need the whole thing, and so 3 equal sections is fine. The research will probably take up the most of my paper, and so I might want to make that one a little bit bigger. But my sticky notes, I've just written essays, grammar, and research. And so as I go through each reading assignment, any reading assignment that pertains to writing essays, I'm taking notes in my essay section. Any reading assignment that pertains to grammar, I'm taking notes in my grammar section. And then after midterm, almost everything will go in my research section. And then towards the last couple of weeks of the semester, when I'm doing my review of all of the quizzes that I've taken so far, I will have made notes in my grammar section about my results on quizzes, the questions that I missed, what the right answers are, and so I'll have done a lot of preparation. But things that I know I need to study for the final exam, I'll come back and just write those in the back few pages of the notebook. So I'll have a readily accessible study guide. And you are allowed to use your notebook on quizzes and on the final exam and on the midterm. And so having it organized will allow you to get to the information that you need quickly, so that you won't run out of time on the quiz or the exam. So anytime you read something in the class, take good notes. Annotate. Be sure to write down grammar rules. Write down any grammar sentence examples that you were unfamiliar with, that you need to read over again, that you need to practice with, and practice with them. Ask me questions, and that should work well for you.